If you're seeing the Telegram error that says too many attempts, please try again later. Don't panic. This is a very common login issue, and in most cases it can be fixed without needing to reinstall the app or make any complicated changes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest steps to get back into your account, and I'll also show you what not to do so you don't keep resetting the timer by accident. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Now let's jump right in. The first and most reliable fix is to wait out the cooldown. Telegram usually puts a temporary limit on login attempts when it detects too many requests in a short period of time. In most cases, this cooldown lasts around 12 to 24 hours, but sometimes it can feel a little longer depending on how many attempts were made. The important thing here is to stop trying over and over again. Every time you press Resend Code, enter the wrong code, or keep refreshing the login screen, you may accidentally reset the timer and make the wait even longer. So the best thing you can do is close Telegram completely and leave it alone for a while. If you've already tried several times, give it the full cooldown period before trying again. While you wait, avoid logging in from multiple devices at the same time, because that can sometimes make the problem worse. Once the time has passed, open Telegram again and try logging in normally. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If waiting doesn't solve it right away, the next step is to switch your network. Telegram can sometimes flag an IP address or a connection path after repeated login attempts, so changing your network can help. If you're on Wi-Fi, disconnect from it and turn on your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. This gives you a different internet route and may help Telegram accept the login request more easily. After switching networks, go back to Telegram and try signing in again. Keep in mind that you should still avoid pressing resend too many times, because the cooldown can still apply. A simple network change can sometimes make all the difference, especially if your previous connection was temporarily restricted. Now, if the mobile app still refuses to let you in, another useful option is to use Telegram Web. Open your browser and go to the official Telegram web version, or try the desktop app if you already have it installed. Sometimes, the browser or desktop version behaves differently from the mobile app and may bypass the login restriction that is affecting your phone. This is especially helpful if the app on your phone keeps showing the same too many attempts message. When you open Telegram Web, enter your number carefully and wait for the verification process. If you receive the code, enter it exactly as shown. If the code doesn't come through immediately, don't keep requesting it again and again. Remember, the main goal is to avoid triggering another delay. The web version is often a great workaround because it gives you another way to access your account while the mobile app is still limiting login attempts. If you get in successfully through the browser or desktop app, you can then check your account settings, confirm your account is active, and continue using Telegram normally. To recap, the 3 best fixes are to wait out the cooldown, switch networks, and try Telegram Web or the desktop app. In most situations, one of these methods will solve the problem without needing anything more advanced. The most important thing is patience. This error is usually temporary, and the more you keep trying, the longer it can last. So, give it time, change your connection if needed, and use an alternate login method if possible. If this video helped you fix Telegram too many attempts, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Telegram troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.